Perfect. So these are the Dell laptops that are refurbished and checked out. You can kind of see that these are the clean ones, and then the ones that that were a little rough on the plastics that were reskinned. So I'm going to go through and just kind of show you that these are the type of skins that we've used. Here's one with skin on the touchpad. I'm going to point out this one has that type of skin on that touchpad. You can see on that one clearly now that that's got that kind of skin on it. But yeah, this is what they look like, all skinned. Yep. You can get a picture of the whole palette and how they're packed.